Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, Mom and Sir. I'm Jubel Asaytuno. I'm 39 years old. I'm married with 2 kids. Both are girls.
And who will take care of your kids?
My family and in-laws.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 6, 3 girls and 3 boys.
And can you please tell me about your educational background?
I was a high school graduate.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have. I worked in United Arab Emirates for 2 years.
As a domestic helper, right?
Yes.
What are your main duties?
I cook. I washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of 2 babies.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I was loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking.
And do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, I don't have.
Also, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my family, to support their needs.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
First, I will talk to them calmly and let them play. And I read some book stories.
That's right. And lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
Madam, sir, if you hire me, you can trust me and I'll do my best to do all the household and taking care of your babies.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.